Life is all about you, and not at all about you. Now that's two opposing thoughts, and yet both of them are true. How can you experience everything you choose to do, while observing the experience you're having from a higher view? See, it's the question, not the answer, that's the higher view. Otherwise, you couldn't differentiate between the two. Awareness, but of who? You think you hurt me, but I promise I was letting you. They say we're all one, but where have we been heading to? I'd rather die free than have to live inside a petting zoo. I am the journey that I'm getting to.
Bruh.
Gratitude is my destination. My destiny is perfectly aligned with this location. I am the map, so I travel back in time. I have everything I want because my imagination is mine. But mine is not enough for me, because I am not my mind. I could see it all, but never get to see I'm truly blind. I could be it all, but all identity is intertwined. The moon is only bright because it reflects the sun's shine. It's not the human race, it's just the human race. There's nothing left to chase. We do not run this place. But both medicine and poison's an acquired taste, so I started taking selfies of somebody else's face.
Bruh.
Vegeta, what does the scatter say about his power level? It's over 9,000! Oh my god! We did it, chat. We freaking did it, man. Okay, sorry. Let's go back. Just had to do that. You know, like once. It's the first time I've had the ability to do it, so. And it's the first time we've hit or exceeded 9,000. So, be live and do it before it goes stale, like bread, So yeah, you've run up now and you've hit a previous high, 91.50. I mean, you're hitting above it too. I mean, look, January 19th, March 7th. There it is, man.
It's over 9,000.
It is indeed over 9,000. Thanks so much, Nefarious man. What's up, dude? Hope you're having a good evening. As we're just being Super Saiyans or something. Not really Super Saiyans, because, I mean, power level for Super Saiyans, like, insane levels. Way more than 9,000. Maybe Bitcoin in, like, 5 years or something, right? 10 years. So, exceeding a 50% retrace from the, June 26, 2019 high. You're above that now. Remember the weekly. Just remember, and forget the, trend lines and stuff, the downside. But, like, you're approaching now a down-sloping resistance where you got the high from June 2019, the high from February. Sorry, dude. Let me power down. That might be too much, okay? Okay. Sorry, man. A little tired. But Bitcoin's freaking pumping, man. It's like $9,200. Up 4.5%. Coming off of being up 13% yesterday. Freaking wild. So, anyway. So, you've got that to think about. Supply line. But then, right above it, on the weekly, where we are, we talked about this today, there's no resistance until 96.17. So that's what you got to think about. Will it hit, will it regard the downsloping resistance first at 90? I mean, it could go to like 93.35. So maybe there's still room to run, but like, it's nothing stopping you right now on the weekly. That's it, dude. So what a pump. And, altcoins are going up too. Cardano is up 4%. Neo up 4%. That Neo is one of the laggards. It's kind of outperforming right now. Dash up 3.6%. Zcash also up that much. EOS, whatever. $3.08. Still got like 9 cents to go until the measure move of that triangle.
Is that a joint?
Kings.
What's up, Grub man? Good to see you, in this nighttime stream. I mean, back in the day, I used to do like night streams. Like every night. Just got away from me and started doing, morning streams kind of recently. But, yeah, man. But it's kind of out of my element now. Being live at night. I just don't do it as much. Once a week, of course. But I'm just talking about like a normal stream where it's just me. Pretty cool, man. 3 paintballer remembers the night streams.
Is that a joint?
Oh, Night Owl.
Night Owl. 3,858 to 9,200.
Yeah, dude, for real. For real. And no real major pullbacks at all. Same wave. It's the exact same wave from 3,800 to 9,200. So, I mean, you got to think maybe it was just all that bullish bat. The old bullish bat, right? The 88% retrace. And then you had the 1618 gold mean ratio. That was it, man. So, what's going to happen, dude? I mean, this is it. Like, if you really break this, you'd think that maybe 9600's next. I mean, you got 93.50. Wow, that's confluent with the downsloping resistance. Okay. So it's here, 93.50, and then after that, 96.17. Wow, man. And it all started with a flag, and we were, looking back on it. This upsloping flag, man. You remember back in the day, dude. You know, it was summer of last year, the impulse, and then that flagging, man. And then you had another one, I think. Yeah, there was one right here. Or maybe that was a channel. That might have been the upslopping channel. There were like 3 or 4. Where was it, man? Oh, yeah, right above it. Duh. So just another like impulse and then higher highs, higher lows. Right? Just flagging, man. Dude, where am I on this chart? My God. So outer space right now. Somewhat. I mean, come on, dude. You blasted through 8,400 like nothing.
Working on my cherries. Miss you guys. Started trading stocks. Still wrecked but learning every day. Rocket.
Crypto Cocktail Chris, man. Thanks so much for the $10 super chat, man. Good to see you. You started trading stocks. I mean, you know, technical analysis, you can apply it to any market. And it can give you an edge if you apply, you know, the variables. Thank you, man. That's where, I mean, that's like where my love for all this started, stocks. It wasn't crypto, of course. So, I mean, look where you are, man. Bitcoin's above the resistance now. You're like looking at it, man. This is the big one, 9150. I mean, big-ish in a way. You just got to wonder, will it be an up thrust, or will we truly break it like we did 84, 8500? Dude, I mean, the RSI 90 freaking 2. Give me a second here, okay? Yeah, still, I mean, it's rivaling the peak from June 26, 2019. That's when we hit almost $14,000. That's when we hit the golden retrace. You're now rivaling that. You're like matching it. And then before that, April 2nd, 2019, you got to 93.75. So we're talking like you never get, I mean, like only on historical, memorable, amazing days do you get this high on the RSI, where Bitcoin's now at session highs 92.42, man. Above 91.50. And there's really not much resistance until 93.50, right? It's like another $100 or so, and then it's that down sloping resistance. Can you hear me, chat? Are we live here? My God, thanks for the nearly 600 people here. Bitcoin pumping, man, up 5% now. Don't, I mean, I said this today, don't take days like this for granted, because we just don't get many. All right. And that's what the RSI is telling us. You just don't get days like this. So what's up, everybody? What's chat? Are you there? So say something like, are you enjoying this pumpage? Remember the poll. Maybe I should, yeah, I don't know, man. I don't want to get off this screen. 92.62, continuing to pump. 92.70 at the highs of the day. Highest levels Bitcoin seen since February 26th. Oh my God. Dude. What a good evening it's been. It's hard to sleep. Yeah, with this going on. What happened, man? Well, man, that was you know, it could have gone either way. Measure move, all right, went up and then just kept going, man. I mean, the crazy, I think the highlight of it all is you have these stepping stone support resistance. Each one of them, 6,800, 7,400, 7,777, 8,500-ish, right? They were all respected a lot, okay? Even 6,400 somewhat, but 8,500, this one was just shattered. I mean, we're talking capitulation or inverse capitulation, just straight through it. Where we had used 8,500 a multitude of times as a, you know, reversal area. Yeah, 93.50. You want to see it, what it is. You just look right here. All right, from the peak of, you know, June 26th and the peak of February 10th, right? You're just approaching that. But like, say it breaks it. You'd think that, again, the weekly, there's nothing. There's absolutely nothing until 96.17. So it's just like, oh, no, okay, you're almost there, man. Not too far now. Okay. Yeah, 200K tonight, sure. The world is not the way it once was, Joe M. Man, there's something in the water. 20 or 92.88. Good God. So again, I mean, where you are, there's just nothing really there, right? We're going to Mars. You know, still going to make a higher high eventually than 10,550. Then we'll be in business when we break that and hold above it for a long time. But you know, a move up like this, it's going to have pullback. Maybe it won't be that deep, but it'll be a little bit probably. Or just forget about it, man. Helicopter money. You know, just all that monopoly money printed is just going into Bitcoin now. Because why not, man? Yes, hold on to your butts. Is it too loud? Is the music too loud? God, I never know. Anymore. I used to back in the day. Something changed. My God, dude. Fishhead, is he out there? Because it's like, I think he's almost there. His 3 rising valleys. He could be a legend, dude. I'm gonna have to paint it for him on my chart. I mean, it's just like... Yeah, I mean, it's something like... It's like 4 rising valleys, dude. More than 3. Yeah. I don't know, dude. It's like 1 valley, 2 valleys, 3 valleys, 4 valleys. You know, it's just a bunch of rising valleys. And then the confirmation line was 74.50. And it's just like gone, dude. And where are we? Oh, okay. All right. So maybe you're 93.22. Dude, I'm just like gorgeous. Freaking gorgeous. Yeah, the bullish engulfing candle on the monthly is now becoming, it might be becoming more cemented. You know, unless something just terrible happened. Any close tomorrow on the daily candle close above 85.30 is a monthly bullish engulfing candle.
Could you look at DNR and GCI stocks, please?
Yeah, Chris, man, thank you, dudes, for the 5. All-time lows, maybe? 92.99. Oh my God. All right, new 4-hour candles born. Bruh. Here we go, man. I mean, you ran up until the close. You closed at your highest level, dude. So we do. Low on the 8s. Oh my God, man. Well. So you think, if anything, you come down and test 91.50, right? Or right, you know, that support. If you broke it, why would you? I mean, okay, you could just blow through it like nothing, but you think, hey, 9150, if anything, you test it. And there you go, and you're falling below it. But, you know, this is what it does. This is price action. So, yeah, all-time lows on this Denbury. You hear the saxophone chat? Oh my god. Trying to hold on. An old resistance is trying to be used as support chat.
China to me, China.
Yeah, China, man.
Oil money moving in, and new traders stuck at home. Happening timed with desire for provable scarcity, and the printer going broom. Mooning. Love you, man. Love your community. 0.6025397 etc.
Hey, Gladio, man, thanks so much for the Ethereum Classic. Oh my god, Bitcoin, 9,080 now. Party's over with a new 4-hour candle chat. Maybe not. I mean, you know, it's just gonna do this. This is insane. Wow, hey, that's nice. Pulling back like that so fast. Look where you are, 82 on the RSI. Good. You gotta eventually pull back somewhat, man. Okay. Yeah, I don't know what to tell you, dude, about Denbury. Trying to cover Bitcoin, though, you know? So it's... Because it's like price action, it's like a later stream. And there's like stuff going on. It's like I'm not like live, just... You know, it's like a devoted to volatility stream.
More alpha for Lord Ray.
What's up, Boston Alpha? Thanks for the 690. Contribution, man. Verge Connect in the jar. I think Pornhub dropped them, though, so they're useless.
Bruh.
So, I mean, I don't know, dude. This is a penny stock, and it's up 16.8% today, but what about tomorrow, dude? I don't know. It's like, this is where you are, 33 cents all-time lows. So, hey, there's your gap fill at 56 cents. Maybe you fill the gap before going back to lower prices. I don't know. And then if it does run up again, then maybe you would see 84 cents to 90, you know, to 88 cents, right? That's about it. I don't know, dude. 91.77 on Bitcoin, right? So this is pretty bad, dude. So I mean, you can't really. You use fib extensions from here, probably. Low to high. Oh my god! See, it's like you fell below the 1618. I mean, maybe there's a little divergence there on the MACD, maybe a little bit on the RSI, but it broke to the upside, and so now it's like, okay, it's played out. I don't know, man. Doesn't look too good to me. Sorry, dude. So 91.85.
It's China to me, China. China.
France Radio. Miss the night streams. Thank you.
France Radio. Elliot Urbina, man, thank you so much, dude, for the 386. Any ideas on DGB? Straight line up. I mean, it's like an altcoin, S coin, and this is it, dude. I mean, like, you know, wow. Not much to it, right? Not much to the chart. It started taking off and it didn't stop until it hit the top, you know, the 100% retrace. And that's it. And if it broke that even more, then the first target's 2.1 cents. Fantastic.
Bruh.
What's up, Timbo? Are we gonna hit 10K tonight, dude? Who knows? I mean, probably not. Probably not, dude. But it's already nighttime for me anyway, so there's not that much time. Man, what's up, dude? Thanks for the 233 likes, dude. We hadn't even been live 30 minutes. Thank y'all for that. Sub extra. Stay-at-home Kings, man. Yeah, check that. Peanut butter jelly to Bitcoin. All right. Something crazy. Okay. If you even believe it, Bitcoin futures hit a high of 94.05 before pulling back some. It's currently at 92.65. About $100 above the spot. Pretty normal. Oh yeah, just have up Microsoft and Tesla. If you weren't watching the stream, they killed it on earnings. Well, I mean, I don't know if they really killed it on earnings. It's just the price pumped after hours. And then the S&P 500 futures, top left, it's up 0.5%. Near its highs. Frederick, Bitcoin big drop coming soon. Dude, look, I mean, like Grub tipped, 3,800, 9,200. Yeah, I mean, that's one wave. Yeah, all waves come to an end, new waves begin. So, and we're deep levels, man, in the shorter term fibs, but the major fibs from the June 26 high, I mean, there's still room. Like, if you fib that way, 10,000's a golden retrace. I'm talking like, again, like this high, all the way up here. Nearly 14K. If you Fibonacci from this high to low, like the one we kind of had been doing, you've exceeded a 78% retrace. That is something else, man. Something else. Same wave. Thoughts on happening? I don't know. I have no idea. It's like in the past, Bitcoin has run up leading up to a happening, and then it has a spine climax, and then a couple weeks later the happening happens, not much occurs, but you're not making higher highs than that buying climax, and then you go through you went through a 107-day correction where where you were when the happening happened in price took 107 days to get back to that level before you broke it, and then you went on to nearly $20,000. So yeah, I mean, 9150 you think is the support. Not much support below you, I guess, to like 8850 maybe. But really, dude, I mean, you'd think if this doesn't hold here, we might still see 8450 to 8500 at least once. You just don't know. But you'd think, just because the way everything had been so well respected, and all of a sudden it's like, wait a second, forget 8500, that's not a resistance. Like, yes it is. No, it's not. Right? Okay. Sorry, I probably look tired. I mean, I am. Been a long day. I exercised a lot. Went like nearly 5 miles today. 4.39 miles. So okay, so gold's doing a bunch of nothing burger right now since that bullish engulfing candle. About 8 hours ago. And this is it, man. This is where, if it's gonna play out, this is where it would reverse and rally to higher prices. And what's kind of cool is, like, look at the negative momentum. I didn't even talk about this, where it is now neutral and it is about to go green. Interesting, right? What happens when we go green? You know, we go green and all of a sudden, you know, we get new waves up maybe. So you can't ignore the fact that gold's making, it's like a higher low within a higher low, but then before that it's a low and you're making higher lows, you know. So and then you can't forget that it's like overall extremely bullish trend, and this is like a bullish pattern in the bullish 5-0. So more liability in a bull trend, the bullish pattern.
Bruh.
Janelle, it's good. It's real good. That's what private wins. This is wild. Yeah, it is pretty wild, man. But fundamentally, Bitcoin's in the best position it's ever been in. Hard to argue with that, with this money printing. The machine, burrs in chat. No, Fatima, Bibi, gold was built pretty much a 6-year pattern. The complex inverse head and shoulders. Composite operator painted it. So here we go on Bitcoin, pulling back 9,020, 9,005. So an up thrust so far through 9150, where you were very close to hitting a downsloping resistance on the weekly, or just really, it's just from two peaks. It makes it easy to see here. The weekly Bitcoin, right? Supply line. First positive momentum. Histogram wick since March 2nd. Very good. But yeah, again, below 9150. Man, it's tough, dudes. But this is my third stream of the day. I didn't think about it. Dude, trifecta. Let's go, man. Wow, thanks for the 816 people tuned in. Good to see y'all. It's past everyone's bedtime, man. We should all be asleep. I get it. I mean, probably have y'all in bed anyway, you know. What's up, David? Terry, David S. Wow, look at the Davids back-to-back typing. How often does that occur, chat? How often does that occur, chat? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Did that even work? Probably not. It always trolls me. Oh, it worked. Thank God. What's up, Paul L. Edmund? What's up? Bitcoin, for the most part, it's up 3% after a 13% day yesterday. Just killing the game, man. That's what it's doing. What's up, Crypto Sipto? Yeah, everyone had to get up for this, man. Did I say bread? I mean, I could always go bread. Look a lot fresher than I do now. And like, the thing is, if I'm growing my beard back out, maybe, I guess, you know, you go through this really scruffy looking phase. The homeless phase, I guess. Yeah, I mean, it's great that you're pulling back on the RSI at least some, man. Dude, 92 is like rare. It's rare when you're at it. When you know you're at it, you're at days where it just doesn't happen very often. Once every 6 months or something. So Chris coming in from Austin. Where is everyone right now? Because like, probably most of y'all are in the US. because it's so late at night. I mean, people in Europe are certainly asleep, right? Maybe a lot of stray-ins because it's daytime. Yeah, tell me where you're at. I don't know. I want to see. Curious. What's up, Mr.?
Thank you, Mitch. If I've started to recognize levels, it's all because of you. Respect the TA.
Mr. Oban, man, thanks so much for the 10 super chat.
Is that a joint?
Means a lot, dude. Kings.
I hate to be a BTC buzzkill, but GE has an Adam and Eve on the daily with Diff.
Buzzkill. Hey, my drama, mate. What's up, mate? Yeah, could be, mate. A double bottom. Let's take a look at the daily. Take a look at the daily. It could be, man. So he's just real quick, yeah. Should I do this whole analysis in Australian accent? A terrible Australian accent. I'm just kidding, man. I mean, it could. It'd be a little annoying, but you could still understand what I'm saying, mate. Potential double bottom. Oh my god. I know it's awful, dude. That's the point. Hey, good news. 650. No. Why is the price not showing here? 650. Big time. What are you doing, man? You're springing. You're back testing the spring. Okay. GE, mate. Everyone could be setting up for high prices. I mean, these levels, mate. You could, first target could be 764. Oh my god. 800 people like, what the are you doing, dude? So that'd be the first fib node, right? The 236, which is confluent with this old ice line from August of 2019. Why is this so funny, mate? So if you break that, then oh my god, dude, look at the neckline, kind of blew it with support from October 2019. Wow, crazy. So it's not a confirmed Adam and Eve double bottom until 830 is broken. That neckline's broken. Then, you know, well, go figure, right? How insane is that? Where, you know, a measured move's gonna be somewhere in the golden zone, mate. I mean, do we have to do it? I mean, I guess we just do it like Nike, man. You know, a measured move. So people can see. They can become learned if they just, you know, it's like, hey, what, double bottom? So 100% measured move of this potential pattern puts ye right at a 618. The top of the golden zone. My god. And yeah, divergence, convergence, connect on the RSI. Sure, mate.
Bruh.
Oh, Dick Tone Gamer's got jokes, mate. He's got jokes. I swear down.
Is that an Australian accent or a Donald Trump impression?
We've got the best kangaroos, mate. We've got the best. You just don't understand. Russia? Everyone's in here from Russia. Okay. So we got people from like Seattle, Vancouver, LA. Yeah, ATX, Oklahoma City, Australia. It's Mitch from Australia. He's coming in from Perth. I don't know that really. A lot of California. My god. Texas. Jamaica. What? Rowan's coming in from Jamaica, mate. I think. Wisconsin. South Korea. Mr. Scary, what's up, dude? West Coast, Canada. Maurice, nice. What, Massachusetts? Compton, California, you kidding me? Antarctica. Oh yeah, hey, coming to Antarctica. Mars. What, France? Nuh-uh. Dude, people in the UK, it is early. 5 a.m. We got Louisiana. We got Georgia. Alright, Houston, Ireland. What is Copley and? Hey man, coming in from Bama, roll tide, dude. Colorado Springs, Cape Town. What, South Africa, mate? I'm like, man, oh my god, force drink, force down another belt.
Remlong tip $25. Can you do the IT30 in an Italian accent? For STR, for stop.
We could, man. We could. Hold on. Italian accent? No way. No way.
I've been watching you for a long time. Here's a tip, mate.
Daytona Gamer, man, thanks so much, dude, for that 10 super chat. This giant. Thank you, dude. Sorry, my accent is just not up to snuff. But I swear I'd have to just go down there and hang out with some of y'all for a while to get it. So don't forget Moss Drummer bringing up the potential Adam and Eve double bottom. You've been warned.
Bruh.
Look here! Look, listen!
Okay? All been warned. On the daily. Not a joke. So, Rimlog. IT30. Italy government. The 30-year bond yield. Nice. Okay. Let's try, man. We can try. Jeez. Yeah, I don't think this matters. The government, you know, don't central banks just buy this crap now? All these things. I mean, just like buy them up, man. Hey, and the Italy government bonds, 30-year bonds, man. It's critical resistance over the June 16. Abundanza. Hey, there might be a little bit of bullshit divergence on you. You got a bit divergence on the MACD and a little bit divergence on the RSA. Salute. So what could be happening? Hey, we could be double bottoming. It's not a one of bottom, it's a two of bottoms. It's a little bit of this, a little bit of that. I don't know, man, okay? It's just not working out the way I expected it, okay? And here's the neckline, man. $137. Okay, bye.
Bruh.
So bad. Hello? Hey, Bitcoin's still holding 91 to 50, 91 to 60. Oh my god, man. Trying to think about Sopranos, but I'm just drawing a blank right now. Hey, what's the gabagool? The gabagool on the IT30s up at gabagool's up at 137. You get the Medigot up here at 145, man. Okay. So you break this, you could have a good run up, man. And then, you, of course, you know, we could just talk about kind of like X, A, B, C, D stuff where you're about, hey, dragon stuff maybe. What's up, Anon? Thanks for the 10, dude.
Bruh.
Dude, Daytona Gamer, are you kidding me? My accent deserves a tip. A tip? Oh my god, man. Sorry, getting winded over here. Oh my god. Can we get some hype in the chat, dude?
Hype in the
The
chat!
accent deserves a tip.
Thank you, Daytona Gamer, for the multiple contributions this evening. Wow. Left field, dude. Sorry. I don't have good accents, okay? I have a decent American accent. That's about it, dude. And maybe Jamaican accent. I don't even know. Is this real life? Okay, so we did it, but like, look, I mean, are we crazy here? I know, dude. It's freaking Italy government bonds, you know, Mueller, but that's real. But has it already played out, or is it going to continue to play out? That is the question. Critical resistance, critical areas. Break that, and you could be the boss. And when you got Rimlog as your consigliere. With the pizza man. What happened, Monster Drummer? Who are you talking about? Who found what, dude? What, this? Corey Mick, man, coming in like you own the place, dude. He's like, I just got here. I'm 45 minutes late, but you do Bitcoin analysis now. It's like, no, how about we do bad accents? Cajun accent? No, I actually can't do a Cajun accent. Nah. That would just be embarrassing. What, dude? Dunk? Oh my god. Brian San Nicholas, dude. Tell Dunk I say hello. J Dunk, man. That's my fraternity brother, man. Wow. What a small freaking world, dude. What are you doing watching, Brian, man? How do you know J Dunk, man? Okay, so let's look at the futures real quick. That's crazy. What a small world. Small freaking world. Bitcoin futures, 92.55. Top left, the S&P, it's 29.56. Near the highs of the day. Up 0.54% still. That's crazy, man. You just started at your company. He is a good guy, man. Tell him let's play some zombies, some Call of Duty zombies. I mean, do you think that would be a good use of company time if we played multiplayer zombies, dude? Hey, y'all. If you don't know, it's like I used to play Call of Duty zombies like crazy, man. Like, I mean, I remember I'd have to stop and leave my Xbox on and go to sleep and wake up to continue, like in solo. And I remember like playing, and then it's like the sun would be starting to come up, and it's like, oh my god, dude, I've been playing this way too long. Ridiculous. Oh, dude, I'm tired. It's been a long freaking day, man. Is this a good time to invest in XRP? I mean, you know, it's been kind of underperforming, but it's up, dude. It's above the yeah, man, it's above the 50% retrace. It's like at the next look, 23.211 cents, right? What are you doing? You broke it, and now you're trying to back test it like Bitcoin. Has its own support resistance. Look, right? March 6th. I'm sorry, my bad. Not March 6th. That's the next one. Oh, it's right here. It's the peaks from November 28th and December 8th. That's where you're hitting, you're stalling. But man, exceeding a 1618, exceeding a 50% retrace, and it's gonna keep going if Bitcoin keeps going too, man. No doubt about it. But Bitcoin's gonna have a pullback at some point, and so are these altcoins. So man, so close. Come on, EOS. Stop failing us. I mean, you're so close. You've watched me for maybe 6 months now, and y'all were just chatting, and you dropped my channel, and he had the same reaction. Dude, that's so crazy, man. Wow. Hype in the chat for Brian San Nicholas for hiring my fraternity brother. Let's go, dude.
Hype in the chat!
Yeah, crypto is after the crash, man. It's been doing spectacular. But hey, here we go, chat. S&P futures right now are pumping 29.65, 0.78% now. Highs of the day. Goodness gracious. I mean, can we get some burrs in the chat too? Some money printing burrs. Because everything just pumping, man. Gold's just like lethargic, just like rolling its eyes. Okay, everything pump, man. Bitcoin doesn't need a mask because it's virtual, it's cashless. Brian, I did. We actually covered it live. He was live while we were live watching the price action. Yeah, I mean, he didn't say much. He said, hey, yeah, I mean, it's like exactly what we expected. Where, hey, we launched the nukes of like unlimited quantitative easing. We've done all these things. It's working out. As you know, like how deep, 61.8% retrace on the S&P today. And we'll continue monitoring it. And if we need to inject more liquidity in the markets, we will do so. That's it. It's just like, you know, when things are good like this, they don't need to act much anymore, right? Because they already have acted. Yeah, Neil, that's just like unbecoming, man. No, gold is amazing, dude. Gold has killed it, I think. And it was the TA. It was the complex inverse slanted head and shoulders pattern that developed over like the course of 6 years. And then it broke that like 1375 slanted neckline, and then it was gone, man, like nothing. Someone in the chat, Mr. Alfred, can you please give me Bitcoin to help me? Please help me, man. Oh my god. Execute order 66. Yeah, Mr. O'Bonnett, it very well can continue up. I mean, if gold on paper or gold like the chart XAU is going to follow the physical bullion, you should see like $200 higher in time. David, no, you cannot beat unlimited quantitative easing. You can't do it. It's like it's never happened in the history of like the markets. So how could anyone even predict what would happen with it? I mean, it's just like you think in normal conditions, you dump, you have a reflexive rally, then you dump again to double bottom, to make a higher low, or to make a lower low. And we didn't do that. We're still like in the same wave, right? You've had one wave down from all-time highs to the, God, just look at it. You've had one wave down, and now you're on another wave, the same wave. And at some point, this wave will end, and you'll reverse the downside. And you'll get a common retrace wave down. And so at that point, you say, okay, higher low, double bottom, lower low. And then, you know, you might have a chance to get in at a better area of value. But this is just going straight up. And you're right at, man. I mean, the September 2018 peak, that high, a major reversal point. That is where you are right now on the S&P. Right? Because it's like if you break 2954, which you haven't, then you could very well see 3018 pretty fast. I mean, because there's just not much left. It's either you reverse majorly the downside or you break it and have a nice run to 3000 plus. So it's like kind of like Bitcoin, what it was doing at 7,400, where it's like it's either going to majorly reverse here or it's going to break majorly upside. I'm going for another run, man. 9,200 plus. Let's go back to it. Mother God, hey, holding 9150 as support, right? We broke it. We confirmed, you know, we had confirmation with the candle close on the 4 hour. Now we're testing it, back testing it. So again, holding this 93.50 and 96.17. Those are kind of the resistance points above us. That's it, man. It's just like the little upsloping flag turned into a monster. Can Vegeta go on? It's past 9,000. Yeah, we've seen Vegeta prevail. We've also seen Vegeta, you know, go above and below 9,000 all the time too. So So thanks so much for the nearly 800 people tuned in. My God, I mean, we almost have 420 likes. Don't do it for me. Do it for freaking...
Is that a joint?
Our overlord and savior, Elon Musk. Yeah, I got more coffee. VO, yeah. Irwin Coffee munitions came in, dude. Or reinforcements, whatever. Frasset, what are you talking about? Loving the hiking trail, crossing peaks, huh? Schnitz, I mean, oil, will it go back up? Maybe in time, cyclical, but you might be stuck in a bearish range for a really long time too. So before you would go up, you're gonna have ups and downs. But you've had just a mega drawdown based on the fundamentals of there's just way too much supply of crude around the world. And I mean, that sucks too, because that's like thousands of jobs in the US, really. I mean, just multiple parts of the world. It's affecting a lot of people. Yeah, nah, extra. I haven't drank, I don't know, in like, it's like over 3 weeks now or something, going on a month. Maybe Thursday will be a month. I haven't drank. It's just because of the keto stuff, you know? I mean, it's like, why not? You can drink on keto, but it like, you know, you kind of stop. You know, like you want your liver to be freed up to produce the ketones, right, at all times. And so when you drink alcohol, it like disrupts that process, I think. It just definitely, it's not as good as if you aren't drinking, right, on it. Yeah, Tinfoil, you can drink on hard liquor. But it's also because like the wheel hasn't been hitting the chug variation, where I would in fact take a shot of whiskey, but the 5% wheel, it just keeps landing on Logan wrecked and Chuggy Chugface get wrecked, dudes. So, you know, really, man, it's like we haven't hit that chug on the wheel in a couple weeks, few weeks or whatever. Alcohol is banned in Thailand. Why? That sounds crazy. Yeah, extra. It's nuts, dude. Episode 1000 Bitcoin happening. Maybe we could line that up. How insane would that be?
I never thought I'd be here right now. This world is amazing. Thanks, Mitch, for the live stream.
Chris Casper, man, thanks for the 5, dude. And I'm glad you're here. I'm glad all of you are freaking here right now. And it's just crazy, man. I just can't believe how small this world is. It's just a very, very, I don't know. It makes you feel some type of way. God. What's up, Aaron Morgan? You haven't been around? Yeah. What, Grand Theft Auto 5's banned in Thailand? What? Why? What the heck? You can't get drunk and play Grand Theft Auto? That sounds terrible. If we don't have that, I don't even want to be here, man. Bioin, you're kind of baked, dude. I think there's some new filters we could mess around with. Oh, dude, y'all want to see the wizard? Look at this wizard. You know, we've replaced all the hats. We're just going virtual now. Look at this. Hello. Hello, I'm a wizard, everybody. Doing some technical analysis, man. But wait, you wouldn't want to piss me off because I'm gonna get you. Sorry, dude. This is a freaking crazy. Oh, yeah. Sorry, I didn't. Oh, I'm so embarrassed. There we go. Perfect. Sorry, dude. That's kind of annoying. I know. But we're just goofing around because, again, if it's my third live stream of the day, I'm not going to be as sharp. I'm going to be tired. And I might just be freeballing it a little. More than I probably should, okay. Alright. Trying to change it up a little bit, dude. No big deal, man. The wizard is never late. He arrives precisely when he, you know, means to, or whatever. You get the quote. I don't need to show you the staff. I can just show you the sword of 1,000 S coins, but it's mounted on my wall. But, like, that's not it, man. We could do all kinds of stuff, dudes. I don't even know, dude. Good be, man. It's so weird. Oh my god. Man, I don't know. Like, I found all the. It took me so much time to find all the best filters, and then it's like I lost all my like favorites. Oh, excuse me. Oh yeah, hey, someone said they love Lamp, right? Well, I love Lamp too, man. How you doing, man? How's everybody doing? Isn't this the weirdest little reckon? Whatever this is, dude. Oh my god. So Holden, man. Holden above 91, 92. Hey, Crypto Face, thanks so much, dude. How you doing? Thanks, man.
Hope you're slaying these longs, brother. Can you show me how to have all these animations on my stream sometime soon? We'll pay you for your time, smile.
Oh, this animation's good to face, huh? Yeah, I'm gonna do a little consultation for ya. Imagine wanting to be taught by a lamp how to do things.
Bruh.
I'm just kidding, man. Thanks for the 5, dude. Wow. Dude, what you know what this is, man? What is it? The Brave Little Toaster Connect? Everyone knows the toaster, dude. I wish I could be a toaster. I can only be a toast. Oh my, dude. No. Chat. Oh my god, I'm a freaking toaster, dude. It's really scuffed though, but wow, look at us, chat. We've blown into the year 2020. You look at my nice background back here, man. We finally took over as the Toaster Legion, and well, Bitcoin's doing well, dude. That's about it. This is something, dude. Yeah, it really, really is. Sorry, I had to drink a little bit of, I don't know, dude. Toaster water, you know, whatever toasters drink. Does anyone know? Could always use a hand, because I have literally 0 hands, man.
Bruh.
It looks so real, dude. It looked like the real freaking toaster, man, from the show, from the movie. This is a Pop-Tart, dude? Dude, 3D Pop-Tarts. Look at that, man. Yeah, it is Pop-Tarts, dude. I'm on keto, though. Wow. Never would have thought I'd be... So, you know, before I started live streaming. So, Mitch, do you think... Yeah, I'm from the future, dude. And evidently, in a couple years, you're gonna be live streaming to like 700 people. And you're literally gonna be a piece of toast. Oh, I'm talking to them. You mean, like, if someone said that to you, you'd think they were insane, right? Like crazy? Don't fall in the water. Yeah, dude. Well, you know. I think I'm good. Wait, where is this? Alright, man. I've been live now over an hour, so, you know, I'm getting tired, clearly, you know. My focus levels are, you know, a little bit lower just because I'm sleepy. But it's okay, man. Oh yeah, Bitcoin 9138. So just flirting with that area. Who knows? I mean, 3 hours till the close, the 4 hour close. So risk reductions, intermittent fasting. Oh no, I mean I've been doing it the past few days. It's pretty cool. Like going like 16 hours without eating, and then you got an 8-hour window where you can eat, and I'm just doing it then. Yeah. Andrew, no, I don't really use it, but you know, it's got its place. I'm sure if you can master it, and it can, you know, help you. Look, man, everything's like a variable, and so like your goal is to like have a bunch of different variables that are all pointing to the same thing, not redundant variables, coinciding variables. It's not ever about the one thing. It's always about, oh, there's multiple things. Ah, stronger argument. What? Butterfly? No way. That's probably terrible. Oh wait, man, y'all remember the dragonfly? I haven't been in dragonfly since like, what about dragon itself? Oh my god, there might be a dragon, but it looks terrible, dude. It looks so bad. Alright, brace yourself. This may not be suitable for all members of the viewing audience.
Bruh.
Hello? Oh man, this is kind of interesting a little bit, man. Wait.
I like you. Interact there, chat. I'm a little hungry. I like eating humans sometimes, man. But, we're all good, man. Bitcoin at 9177 now. Holy crap.
Sorry, man, about the voice. Probably too bad. Oh, god, never mind. Wow, it actually blinks when I blink, and it can't notice. It's kind of scuffed, so... Look, I'm blinking right now. I'm talking right now, man. Good goodness gracious, dude. He can't even believe it, man. He can't even believe it. This is too much going on, man. He's too high for this. Well, then incarcerate, man. Sorry, dude. This is it's getting a little weird in here. Alright, so what do you want, man? This is what happens, Larry, when you break resistance and you're just backtesting areas as support. Who cares? Big deal. Big freaking deal, man. I have to talk like this. It's like I have to make my jaw go down so it emphasizes. And I guess I have to like be really close to the webcam for it to pick up. Anyway, I don't know if this is good. Chat, y'all like this? Yay, nay, hey. Anyone? Like the dragon built around? That's right, Brian, man. Exactly. Well, this is like what this is all about. This is like the whole... I mean, I'm trying to make TA fun and like, you know, not boring. And I'll go into analysis and then I won't be analyzing for a minute. And it's like you're giving people's people in the audience, you're giving their mind like time to take a break. And so it's like you focus for a few minutes and then you stop. And then you focus for a few minutes and you stop. And it's like you're working out a muscle. Anyway. What? This guy's crazy, man. Yeah, Kanatomo. Does Kanatomo approve? Well, then we're good then. Okay. Nah, Silver, if you knew what TA actually did and was, you wouldn't say that. But you are ill-informed, so you can just say that blatantly with no argument, with nothing. You're just saying something without, without anything backing up what you say. It's baseless. And why are you even here? If this show is TA and you call it BS, you shouldn't even be here, dude. You should go to bed. What's up, that one guy? For those of us who just joined, there's just a dragon head talking weird and stuff. Yeah, exactly. Being told off by a dragon fish face. There you go. Yeah, imagine getting talked down to by a freaking dragon, dude. Nah, man, we should be something way less threatening than a dragon, man. Trogdor. You get what I'm saying, man? I don't know, it's just like hanging out now. Yeah. There's like so many bad ones. There should be like a filter for all the bad ones. It's like, this is subpar. And then delete. Yeah, the Burninator. Exactly, dude. I haven't had a good battle in ages, man. What are we doing? We're gonna do like this, man. I'm not a battle in ages, man. It's the Burninator, man. Sorry, dude. I just had to do it for a second. Okay. Oh my God. Sorry about that. Ooh, good song, dude. Man, it's like listening to this music that I play with headphones on does way more justice. The most justice. Like, listening to me, like, watching me on TV is, like, good and stuff. You especially got a surround sound and, like, a subwoofer and all that. But, man, having, like, noise canceling, like, headphones on with this music is just, like, the best, dude. Oh, bread. What about Biggie Pineapple, man? How you doing over there? Everybody doing well? We're just Pineapple, man. Are we under the sea? Maybe not, man. This is my co-host. This is my co-host, Pineapple. He doesn't say much, man. He's a pineapple of few words. Thanks for being here, dude. Just drinking some fruit juice, man. Yeah, long pineapples. Unfortunately, that's not a one commodity. I don't know, man. Pineapple futures? No way. Let me, There's no way there's pineapple futures. No way. What? September of 2012. Pineapple futures market to launch, despite skepticism. Like, what? Where is this? Canned pineapple futures to trade on AFET, the Bangkok Post. Yeah, 2012, man. So I wonder if you still can, though. trade pineapples, chat. If someone want to help me out with that, Rimog, it very well could be. I'm a little embarrassed. I'm so skeptical of pineapples, man. Trading pineapples. It's even more insane, man. I don't know, I just had to look at this. About us, pineapple stocks. Pineapple stocks started as a hobby for the equities market. What? I'm gonna say, where can I trade pineapple futures? I don't think you can. If you're like in the US, type in on Google, can you find pineapple futures? Yeah, dude, I don't think so. That sucks, dude. Whatever. Hey, you know what? I mean, we can look at corn. Hey, I wanna show y'all corn to the, I mean, like not Bitcoin, but like corn to the US dollar. Hey man, let's go. Okay. So you got some really nice RSI bullish divergence on the 4 hour. But then you go to the freaking daily, dude, on corn. Dude, let's go. It's already up some. Okay? Look at this. 1, 2, 3. Quadruple MACD bullish freaking divergence. RSI diverging, continuing to diverge more. Impending price action, reversal to the upside, man, of the pineapple. Doing corn analysis, literal corn. Where are we? Where is $3.06? Look left, look no further to the year of 2016, and it is an ice line, and we are above it. Monka S. Poggers. Corn been in this range since 2014, 6-year large range, where it's like in between $3.12 all the way up to like $4.30, and you're at the bottom, man, and you're showing all this seller exhaustion. Come on, dude, do it for the freaking corn. I don't think I can be. See, there is no corn, I don't think, chat. Let's see here.
It's China to me. China.
Funniest thing I ever seen. Guy turns himself into a pineapple.
Like corn, I am the corn elder. What is this? It is the corn. This is all corn, chat. Cornholio. Thank you so much, Whale Deer, man, for the 321 connects. What? Excuse me? Sorry about that. Wrong button.
Bruh.
Hotkey. Okay. So, I turned myself into a pineapple, man. It's real. I don't know what this is. Like corn, I am corn elder. Does anyone get this? Is this some sort of inside joke, man? Anyone know? I really don't know here. That's not corn. This is not corn, man. Oh my god, corn! Corn! Oh my god!
Hype in the chat!
When first person in history of man, okay, chat? The first person in the history of humankind to do technical analysis of corn to the US dollar as a piece of corn. Chat, you're living it, okay? At a random time in 2020, corn is real now. We've done this, man. We've done this thing. Iceline is just it's why coffee and talk. It's you know, you just could say support resistance, or that's it. Yeah, it's Iceline, support resistance, right? Iceline is like a support, okay? We are transcending, man. There's just nothing like it, dude. I'm so proud. My heart is very full right now. I should come up with another voice by the quartet, okay? Thank you so much. I have lovely ears. Ah, yes. I've been working on them throughout the harvest. It's been a tough one, man, but we doing well. The CFD's on corn. Getting primed for a reversal to the upside if this is the hold, man. Can the children of the corn can help us. You have to understand. The divergence is just, you can't ignore this. It's so pretty. A low, a lower low, a lower low, the lowest low. This is what dreams could be made of, chat. Never forget this day. Ever. Monthly candle closes in less than 24 hours. And it is going to, and something, unless something absurd happens, Bitcoin will paint a bullish engulfing candle on the monthly. That's big time. What's up, Yatani, man? Yeah, but look, dude, we get to look at corn as corn. Someone needs to make hey, Wayne, we need to make a Bitcoin, like where I am Bitcoin, man. And then we end as Bitcoin, man. Okay. Dude, no one, hey, if you're in here and you found me tonight for the first time in your life, say something. Say something, dude. Because I don't think anyone watching the stream tonight was new. Every single one of y'all have seen me before. Okay. This is literally corn, Atani. It's a beautiful range, man. It's something that is, I don't know. We must admire the corn and its beautiful range. Archduke says new here. Tonight, man, you've never seen me in all this time? Tugger Adams is new. Oh no, we have new people that are just like, what the F is this? But dude, whatever. It's technical analysis, man. It just, who cares? I've never seen this corn man in my life. Well, I guess everyone would be technically new to corn analysis. But anyway, man, we can go back to Bitcoin if you're so inclined. It's okay. Oh yeah, so here's something interesting. I just adjusted this. You've already broken out, but like just adjusting this top trend line here, you're still breaking out. So it's like, channel man, whatever. I mean, it's a breakout, but it doesn't mean crap until you break 10,500. It's like, this is great. You have such a deep retrace and all, but you could end up just making a lower high. So you can't talk about a bull trend until we get above this previous major high. Okay. Very good so far, though. I mean, just wonderful. Still back testing. 9150, you're above it for now. Oh, excuse me. Let me get out of my corn stance. I will favorite this. Save some room for later. Okay. How do we get out of this, man? Ugh. Holy crap, chat. Yeah, we have fun here, man. That's right, dude. Oh, thanks, David M. Say something? You're giving up on me, Kyle? What are you talking about? Say something, dude. I mean, come on. It's just like, everyone demands the world, but it's like, I try to give the world. But it's like, you just, the bad timing. Yeah, I mean, resistance, I would think 93.50 because, you go to the weekly. This is why, right here. It's your supply line, right? It's like the June 26th high and the February 10th high, the peaks. And then you're right there. And that's like, if it was just to keep going today, it's like 93.70, 93.50. It's like a $25 area, right? You can clearly see where we are. And so it's almost like dragon, like a dragon-esque pattern, where we're, you don't have a real head or anything. But you've got one foot, another foot, and then you've got a hump, and it's like X, A, B, C, and this is D. And it's like, if this breaks out, that could, D wave is supposed to be a big wave. Like, this was the big wave. You should maybe get another big wave. And where would it go? You'd be looking for like 7, 8, 6s and stuff for reversals to the downside, right? can't talk about dragon patterns without being a dragon. He's right, man. So potentially as a dragon type pattern, but meh, it's kind of not too. Okay, there we go. All right, man. I don't know. I've been live for an hour and a half. Tired. Look, again, third stream of the day. My life for you. We've got tons of price action that's happened. And there will be plenty of more price action in the coming days. Monthly close, less than 24 hours. Big deal, man. Real big deal. Feeling it, man. About to get ready to get down to that Tempur-Pedic, man, and just get lost in a world of dreams. Dreams of dragons and corn to the moon, man.
Bruh.
So, whatever, man. That's it, dude. So I'm gonna skedaddle. I really appreciate y'all coming out. It's been a wonderful stream. So much fun. This is the best community out there. And thanks so much for everything. It's just cool. We got a small world. We got Brian, son Nicholas. And yeah, man, fantastic. Thanks for saying something, and tell Jake, man, to work hard and tell him not to disappoint me and you, right? So I will be back, y'all. Until next time, respect the TA.
Is that a joint?
Is it a joint, man?
A little butter for your corn.
Thanks so much for the butter on the corn, man. Really appreciate it. Getting a little toasty, a little slippery. All right, man.
Bruh.
Thanks. Oh man, having headphones on right now, amazing.
Bruh.
That boy is good.
My name is JP. I am a robot. I like robots. I have a robot vagina.
Adios, turd nuggets.